this video, you will learn how to quickly and efficiently move information from your Sabre profile over into your P&R without ever taking your hands off of your keyboard. Customers are your most valuable asset, and getting the information from the profile over into the P&R so you can start reserving the flights, the cars, the hotels in an efficient manner is very important to you. So today we're going to show you how to use the blind move feature in Sabre profiles. When you have a profile, you know the name of the customer, you don't need to look at it, you don't need to pick fields that you want to use in the reservation. You can use the blind move feature to just move the information over into the P&R quickly and efficiently. The blind move entry is accomplished by typing in display, the profile name, the end item key, and NM for now move. The end item key can be found on your keyboard as the / key. Sometimes it's located above the enter key on the right side of the keyboard, and sometimes it's found below the enter key on the right side of the keyboard. Keyboards do vary, but it is mapped to the / key. So again, by appending the end item key between the profile name and the NM, you can move the information into your P&R without ever having to look at the profile. We have a new command with Sabre profiles, which is in display, profile name, end item, NM *, and that will move the information into the P&R and immediately display it in your work area. Let me show you how this works. I can type in display, profile name, end item, NM, and it moves over. I had some priority remarks which appear on the screen, and now I can type display A, and you can see all of the information that was moved over. Equally, I can type in display, the profile name, end item, NM, and the display key, and that moves everything over and displays the P&R all at the same time, saving me an extra step. Now I would like to show you how you can use P&R builders with the blind move command. P&R builders are a powerful feature within Sabre profiles. You can select different pieces of information to be used based on the trip type. You can have up to 100 P&R builders per profile if you would like, and you can create P&R builders for corporate versus leisure travel, international versus domestic. You can have them based on a corporate name or a project code. The possibilities are endless, and you control the naming convention. You can use the P&R builder name within a blind move entry. So if I know the name of the P&R builder, I can add that to the end of my entry, such as in display, profile name, end item, NM, / and the name of the P&R builder to move the information over, or in display, profile name, NM for now move, / P&R builder name and the display key, and that will display the profile again. Let me show you how this works. I can type in display, Jason Jones, end item, NM, / business, which is the name of my P&R builder, and you see I have now my shell of a P&R. By typing display PI, I can see that the agency profile, the corporate profile, and the traveler's profile were all copied into the P&R without ever looking at profile. I'll show you what the profile looks like. So you see we have the P&R builder, which is set for business. And here I have his office phone number, his administrative assistant's phone number, his mobile number, but not his home phone number, his corporate email address, but not his personal address, his corporate mailing address, his corporate form of payment, etc. But if I change it to leisure, now you'll see that I have his mobile number and his home number, his personal email address, not his business email address, his home address, and his personal form of payment. Additionally, if I look at the associated profiles, I see the agency profile, the wife and his son, are all selected. If I choose the business one again, it goes back to the agency and the corporate. If I type in display Jason Jones end item NM/leisure, then his wife, his son, and his information were all moved over for this leisure booking. I hope you found this video helpful. We'll have other videos available soon to show you other shortcuts on how you can quickly and efficiently use the profile data to meet your customers' needs.